Good morning, student. Now in the second part we will study about the adolescence and puberty. What is adolescence? The period of life between 11 year and 19 years when the body undergoes changes leading to reproductive maturity is called adolescence. Between the ages of 11 years and 19 years, children are called adolescent. During this period, adolescents are called teenagers. During adolescence, the endocrine glands produce hormones that cause changes in the body. These changes mark the beginning of the body's journey to becoming an adult. Puberty ends with adolescence reaching sexual maturity. So, what is puberty? During adolescence, the body undergoes several changes and becomes capable of reproduction. These changes are the beginning of puberty. It is normally 11 to 16 years in boys and 10 to 15 years in girls. However, the period may vary from person to person. Changes during puberty. So many changes will take place like increase in height, changes in body shape, voice changes, increased activity of sweat and sebaceous glands, development of sex organs, reaching mental, intellectual and emotional maturity. So we will study these changes one by one. Increase in height. By the age of 11, a boy reaches about 80% of his height and girl reaches about 88% of her height. Initially, girls grow faster than boys. By about 18 years of age, both boys and girls reaches their maximum height. Generally, the height is similar to the parents because it depends upon the gene which transfer from parents to the students. Changes in body shape. During puberty, boys have broader shoulders and wide chest due to faster growth of muscles. In girls, the breasts begin to develop and the region below the waist become wider. Voice change. During puberty, in boys the voice box, also called larynx, become larger and is seen as swelling in throat called Adam's apple and their voice become deep and harsh. In girls, the voice box is smaller and their voice is high pitched, so their voice become normal after some time. Increased activity of sweat and sebaceous glands. During puberty, the secretions of the sweat and sebaceous gland, or you can say oil gland, increases and many teens get acne and pimples on their face. So this is nothing a problem, it's a temporary phase. Development of sex organ. During puberty in boys, the testis and penis develop completely and produce sperm. In girls, the ovary develop completely and produces eggs. Reaching mental, intellectual and emotional maturity. During puberty, boys and girls, mental, intellectual and emotional development take place. They become more independent, self-conscious and their way of thinking changes. Secondary sexual characters. Secondary sexual character are the changes which take place during puberty. In boys, hairs begin to grow on the face, they develop beard and moustache. Hair also grows in chest, armpit, the pubic region. The testes start to produce sperm. In girls, their breasts develop and hair grow in the armpits and pubic region. The ovaries start to produce egg. These changes are controlled by a chemical substance called hormone produced by endocrine gland. Male hormone which control secondary sexual character is called testosterone. It is produced in the testis. Female hormone which control secondary sexual character is called estrogen. It is produced in the ovary. And production of these hormone is controlled by another gland called pituitary gland, which already we have discussed. So this is all about the second part. In the third part, we will discuss the next topic of this chapter. Thank you.